simply what you need to do, you need to explain yourself, you need to speak all the details, okay? Whatever you do in day-to-day life, if you will explain all your details. Gaurav ji, your microphone is making some sound, so if you want, I will say, if you will switch it off, then it will be good for, if you will mute, it will be good, because some sound is coming, okay? Yeah. So what happens, my dear friends, so this was all about my daily routine. But don't skip. Many times what will happen, आपको लगेगा why to give the detail here, okay? So why to give the detail here? There is no need of giving detail, okay? So what you can do, just I will say, explain each and everything. हाँ होगा, it will happen sometimes, you will be stuck. इसको क्या करूँ, इसके लिए तो मेरे को सेंटेंस नहीं है, I can't make. Don't worry, you have my number, you can ask me, okay? Or just you can Google, और प्लीज प्रिपेयर, और दिस यू आस्क विद योर फैमिली मेंबर्स जिसकी इंग्लिश अच्छी हो, या फ्रेंड सर्कल, अरे इस चीज को क्या बोलते हैं, इस एक्टिविटी को मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, व्हाट शुड आई से, बिकॉज डोंट गेट नर्वस कि अरे यहाँ पे नहीं आया तो मैं छोड़ दूँ, या डिटेल में नहीं. गो इन डिटेल, आई एम ऑलवेज सेइंग गो इन डिटेल, बिकॉज डिटेल विल हेल्प यू टू एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ विथ फ्लुएंसी. क्योंकि इसमें क्या होगा, आपने हर एक काम जो करते हो, हर एक एक्टिविटी को आपको करना है. दूसरी बात, अगर आप जॉब में हो तो अब आप क्या करोगे, आप अपनी पूरी जॉब की एक्टिविटी को वहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई जैसे घर से अगर आप निकल रहे तो आई लीव आई होम एट 8 AM. आफ्टर दैट आई go to bus stop, then I catch a bus, or then I ride with my, I reach to station with I ride my bus motorbike. I reach to station in 10 minutes. After that I stand my bike in parking lot. After that I go to station, I catch a train of 9 AM. Then I reach to my office by 10 AM. After reaching office, I start my lectures. After reaching office, I start my office work. After that, I take some rest. I have a glass of water. Then I meet with my boss. Whatever. What is your routine? I don't know. Okay, I'm giving only a perception. Okay, if you are a student, तो same आपका होगा. वो ऑफिस जाते थे, आप स्कूल जाओगे. वो काम करते थे, आप पढ़ाई करोगे. तो you will start attending your lecture, or you will appear in the prayer. So what I'm saying, please mention each and every activity. Okay, अगर हम प्रेजेंट की बात करें, अभी देखो कुछ और टॉपिक्स आप लो जिसके ऊपर आप अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करो, या जो हमारा 21 डेज का प्लान है उसमें हम लोगों को प्रिपेयर करते हैं. अभी देखो, when you will go through my main course, okay, in main course you will find this will be not a saying do. You have to shoot a video and send to me. Okay, you have to shoot a video and send to me. And sometimes you will take presentations also on, you are logging with your mobile or laptop, no issue at all. Okay, or if you have camera, I will give you that shoot. Okay, you have to speak, you have to be live with your presentation in front of me, even in webcam. Okay, so you all will learn all these things. Another thing is that itne pe I am a very greedy person. Okay, in respect of updating myself, at the same time in respect of updating you, so I will say go for extra mile. When what is that extra mile? I will say, might be you have given that presentation, I'm not okay, I'll say please do one thing here, prepare yourself more. Okay, and be natural. I will never say you come with a book and speak. No, you're not to come with this book and speak. Even the presentation which you will record with your mobile or camera, which you will send in the Facebook group, that presentation should be without notebook. Okay, पहले से आपको जो practice you have to word for keywords, my dear. उठना, खाना, सोना, ये तो it's a very simple, you know all these things. Okay, only you earlier you are not aware with that how to frame that sentence. Okay, so now you have learned. Another thing, what you can take the topic. So what will be our assignments in those 21 days? You will give the recordings. After that I will see whether you maintain the eye contact or not. क्योंकि देखो दो चीज़ें होती है. If you will say, if you have to speak with many times it happens, people are good in expression or communication, they speak with people, but what happens, they are not so good in expression somewhere. Okay, or when they speak they can't maintain the eye contact. Okay, I will tell you, just yesterday, day before yesterday, there was a webinar and I was enrolled in that, but my lectures were also going on, and that webinar anyway came into the same time, so I denied to attend that webinar. But the webinar was on digital marketing, so I was learning some stuffs into that. So the ad which was designed, it was very much lucrative, so I thought I should go into that. But then I requested them, I can't attend your webinar, so can you send me the recordings? They said yes, we will send you the recording. I played the recording, my dear. It was 1.5 hours of recording. Oh my god, I will say that, it was pathetic, I'll say, because the trainer is not able to speak, with conviction somewhere. His presentation is boring. Okay, whatever subject you speak, that does not matter. Make it interesting. Don't speak boring. Nobody like boring teacher, trainer, coach. Nobody like boring, because I liked his ad, but I first just I ran for 15 minutes. Then I saw मेरे को लगा आगे कुछ अच्छा होगा. Then I went to 30 minutes. Then I went to 35 minutes. Then let's leave it. I went away. What I'm saying, I have called the audience in my webinar and everything, and I'm speaking ada teda. I'm speaking here and there. It has no meaning. Speak with the टॉपिक. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, हिट द बुल्स आई. ओके, तो अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करो और हमेशा ये याद रखो, आज की डेट में अगर आप अपने लाइफ में अच्छा करना चाहते हो, if you want to earn money or if you want to get respect, whatever, earning money is not only the purpose of life. Okay, I will say, people say money is not everything, but I say money is very much important, and I agree with this statement. Money is not God, but it is not lesser than God. पैसे खुदा तो नहीं, पर खुदा से कम भी नहीं होते. ठीक है ना? It is important, very much important. Okay, it's English speaking is also a medium of making money. At the same time, I will say it is also a medium of getting respect. क्योंकि आज एक नया अवतार आया है लोगों का. If you will abuse a person in English, even he will be happy. हाँ, अच्छी बात है, इंग्लिश में गाली दिया. Not in Hindi. Okay. So please make yourself, just put some humor in your language, make it interesting. Don't speak boring. Okay, because even at job profile or even at home, if you will be bored person ना, आपके घर पे भी बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. कोई होता है उसको देख के सब हंसेंगे, सब मजे लेंगे, और कोई होता है उसको देखते ही everybody will wear long face. फिर लगता है भगवान, इसका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कैसे किस टाइम में हुआ था. वाई दिस पर्सन कम्स एंड दैट पर्सन हैज नो स्माइल एट हिज फेस, इज डिफरेंट देन पीपल से ही इज इंट्रोवर्ट. अरे व्हाट इंट्रोवर्ट? ठीक है इंट्रोवर्ट है, बट थोड़ा एक्सट्रोवर्ट भी बनो जहाँ पे शो करने की ज़रूरत है. क्योंकि नाउ दिस वर्ल्ड इज नॉट गोइंग टू वेलकम इंट्रोवर्ट people only. Now this world is going to welcome those who can express themselves. Remember, you will be successful only in a condition when you will be able to present yourself 100%. Okay, because what will happen, my dear, I will say a doctor, an engineer, an IAS, a PCS, any rank of officer, okay, and any field, okay, an accountant, a CA, or anybody I'm talking about, he is only successful, he is at a very good level, people are appreciating him. Hello everyone, is the voice coming? Please check your network, my dear. Right now, is it okay? Hello everyone, please give me the comment. Oh sorry, yes, my hand went into that. Yeah, now is it audible? Is it? Yes, so sorry, my hand went there and anyway directly it went muted. Okay, so the thing is that what happens exactly, my dear, when we speak, what I'm telling you, if you want to succeed in your life, learn one thing, presentation skill. And I'm not saying you should be mastered in English. If you will speak in English only, then you will get succeed. I'm saying you will be able to get all the success, whatever language but your presentation should be at that level. Okay, I love Hindi is my mother tongue. I love Hindi, and I love to listen people who speaks good Hindi. For example, like Baba Ramdev, like Aapki Adalat, this guy, Mr. Rajat Sharma, his Hindi is very good. Okay, Aaj Tak News I don't watch, but I listen. Rohit Sargana, Rohan Sargana, some name is his, okay. Anjana Om Kashyap, because nowadays just because I don't watch news and all, but one day I was finding that Sargana, he was speaking very good Hindi. So अरे वाह, ये तो बहुत अच्छी हिंदी बोल रहे हैं, because some sentences, some phrases you get. Okay, so what I am telling you here, whatever is your mother tongue, if you are learning English, okay and fine, but I am giving you the the real hack, my dear, the reality. You should be able to express yourself completely with conviction in your mother tongue. Even you will get succeed. Okay, because we are in India, and India, you will say, I will say 98% population understands well Hindi. 2% नहीं समझ पाते हैं. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, sometimes these people have the difficulty to understand. Okay, they have their own things, so we can't say into something in that. But I'll say 98% to 95% people understand Hindi well. Okay, so even or whatever is regional language, if you are working to regional language. But now come, from our childhood we are taught for 3 languages: one regional language, one Hindi, and another English. Okay, we are taught, most of us have been taught with all 3 languages. Okay, if anybody is from even English medium, then even he is taught one more regional language, whatever is that may be Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi. So the matter is what, the presentations, and what should be your presentation. Your presentation should be based on conviction, reality, truthfulness, because always remember, your intention travels faster than words. Yesterday I said, I always repeat this sentence, your intentions travels faster than words. आपका जो intention है वो word से ज़्यादा fast travel करेगा. तो आपका intention तो travel कर जाएगा, आप कितना सच बोल रहे हो, झूठ बोल रहे हो, वो one part रहेगा. Okay, now the matter comes for English. So English, take it easy way. Okay, and try to put out your feelings, express your feelings whenever it is required, and please don't feel shame. Okay, sometimes it happens, we have the answers in our mind, we know, yeah, this is the answer, but we don't speak because nobody has stamped us. We wait for a stamp. Hey, I will speak, but if it is not correct, then what a person will think? Hey, nothing he will think. Might be if you spoke something and he did not understand, then what will happen? You think, if he will not understand, what will happen? And nothing will understand, he will not understand, this will happen only. And if he will not understand, it is his problem, not yours. He should ask you, bhai kya bola, mujhe nahi samjha. And when he asks, then you can explain again, I said this in the regional language or mother tongue, whatever you have. Okay, another thing, if that person did not understand, this is his problem, not yours. So why are you taking so much tension? First you open your mouth and speak, I always say. Okay, he should go to dictionary and consult, he should open his laptop, mobile, whatever he has, and he should say, what is the meaning of this word, did this guide? Or if he did not understand your accent, then he will say, bhai tumne kya bola, ye mujhe nahi samjha. तो आप उसको थोड़ा स्लो होकर के बोल सकते हो. अनदर थिंग, इफ ही इज योर फ्रेंड, फैमिली मेंबर्स, देन ही विल हेल्प यू. अरे भाई इस चीज़ को तुम ऐसे नहीं ऐसे बोलो. और if he is very much close to you, you can say that, hey, I'm practicing English, and if I make any mistake, I know your English is good, then you can help me. I will love to take your feedback. Okay, so please, I will speak with you in English, you help me, and you also speak with me in English. And wherever I get stuck, please give me the sentence or the answer what I have to speak. So this will give you a clear picture, and that person will help you, because I have told you, nobody wants to listen anybody, but nobody wants to become a student. Very less people wants to become a student. Everybody wants to become a teacher, and you are offering somebody your master, your teacher. Okay, so that person will be, अरे बाप रे, बड़ी अच्छी बात है, ये तो मेरे को बहुत रेस्पेक्ट दे रहा है, घर वाले तो मेरी कुछ सुनते नहीं है, कोई तो जो बोल रहा है मैं कुछ ज़्यादा जानता हूँ और उसकी मैं हेल्प करूँगा, राइट? एंड इट मे बी योर रिलेटिव, योर फ्रेंड्स, एनीबडी. अनदर थिंग, कोई नहीं मिला, कोई आपके पास नहीं है, एक काम करो, कॉल सेंटर पे फोन करो, सेलेक्ट द लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश एंड स्पीक योर ब्रोकन इंग्लिश. Speak your broken English, whatever in bits and pieces, you speak in English only. They will not shout at you, yaar. They are call center people, okay? They are trained to speak politely with customer, okay? Because their call is on recording, okay? And you will make a practice also, right? You try to know his product and services, okay? And you will listen the person how they are speaking. Good call centers को आप call करो. But better you find somebody. But this is only a case अगर आपको कोई भी नहीं मिलता है, आप बोलोगे नहीं मेरे पास कोई नहीं है. In that case, I have given you this example. Otherwise, don't waste their time, okay? Because everybody's time is precious, okay? Until we have not to buy the product and services, there is no need of wasting anybody's time, right? So this was the practical part of that, okay? Now just we will take fast at the fast round past also, okay? Simple past tense. I will say the simplest and easiest tense is simple past tense, okay? ये बहुत ईजी है. कैसे? अभी देखो हम लोग वो पॉजिटिव की बात करें, नेगेटिव की इंट्रोगेटिव की नहीं करें, क्योंकि मैं नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव की बात करूंगी तो फिर हम इसमें ही फंस जाएंगे. बट मैंने आपको बोला है, जब भी हम डे टू डे लाइफ में बात करते हैं तो क्या होता है, आई टोल्ड यू, 60 to 70% टाइम वी स्पीक पॉजिटिव. एट होम यू स्पीक नेगेटिव, नहीं करूँगा, नहीं जाऊँगा, नहीं लाऊंगा ये सामान, what will happen? They will say get out from home. You will get this answer. ये बंदा कुछ सुनता ही नहीं है, करता ही नहीं है, भाई तू क्या करेगा यहाँ पे? Just you get out from home. You will get this answer. And if parents are there, you have to be careful when you have to say no, when you have to say yes. Okay. Parents never want to listen no from their children. Okay. And nobody wants. Even your child do not want to listen no from you. Even your wife does not want to listen no from you. Yes or no? When you say no to your wife, what happens? Your whole week gets spoiled. Your whole week gets spoiled. और आपको लगता है भले मैं काम नहीं करता, इसको हाँ तो बोल दिया होता, मेरी जान छूट गई होती. And the same happen with the spouse also, okay, the wife also. Agar husband says no, then it's also a mess, okay. So nobody want to listen no, but there are certain conditions where we need to learn how to say no also. No भी हमें आना चाहिए. And interrogative questions, अब जरा फैमिली वालों को क्वेश्चन करो, तुम कहाँ गए थे, लेट क्यों आए, why did you come late? They say, who are you to chase me, who are you to speak with me in this way? My father does not ask me at what time I come, I go. Who are you? You are a brother. Be with your own, just mind your own business, okay. Do not manipulate your brain in my work. Don't disturb me. You reply that, इसने क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछा, भाई है, तुम अपना काम करो. My father will take care of me. You, why are you asking me question? So what I said. So my motive, I'm not saying you have not to prepare it with negative or interrogative. My motive is to saying most of the time, generally we speak in positive. Okay. So what is my purpose, my dear one? Please speak positively. First of all, 100%. Then get mastery over it. Okay, when once you will understand positive, then negative will be, क्योंकि हर जगह, you know, everywhere there is only one funda. After helping verbs, you know, when you will frame negative, even in simple present tense, the do not and does not will be used. Okay, so do not will be used plural number subject, does not will be used with singular number subjects. Okay, and only first form of the verb, वहाँ पे first form of the verb ही रहेगा, s yes की बात नहीं होगी, क्योंकि do does आ गया, don't और doesn't आ गया, तो वहाँ पे आपको s yes use नहीं करना. Okay, for example, I don't go to office daily. Question रहा था, do I go to ऑफिस डेली. अगर मेरे से पूछा गया तुम ऑफिस क्यों नहीं आते हो आजकल, व्हाई डोंट यू कम टू ऑफिस नाउअडेज, व्हाई डोंट यू कम टू ऑफिस नाउअडेज. इट इज सिंपल, बट यू गेट मास्टरी ओवर प्रेजेंट. ओके, नाउ जस्ट टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ पास्ट. इफ यू आर स्पीकिंग इन पास्ट, सो हाउ विल यू स्पीक? I will correct, you know, simple past tense you have to use. You know, if you will describe the situation, the story or something like that, so in that case, you know, in that case was verb will come. Okay, somewhere was verb will come. But if you are talking in day to day life, means if you are talking about your yesterday routine, अगर मैंने आपको सेम चीज जो आपने प्रेजेंट में बोली थी, मैंने आपको बोला आप अपना yesterday रूटीन बताओ, कल आपने क्या क्या किया, अभी पूरा काम जो आपने किया था ना वो yesterday में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, एंड दैट विल कम इन पास्ट. ओके, तो वो आपके लिए इजी भी होगा क्योंकि इस इंसिडेंट को आपने प्रैक्टिस कर लिया है. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन फ्रेम इट ऑन डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स. ओके, then you can in past first you understand the structure. Subject V2 object, subject V2 object. Subject सबसे पहले यूज करना, फिर सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज करना, उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करना है. सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है पता है ना, आई यू दे ही शी इट नेम्स, ये सभी लोग सब्जेक्ट है, राइट. वर्ब क्या होता है आपको पता है, ना वाले और जिसके तीनों फॉर्म होते हैं वो वर्ब है. और यहाँ पे V2 का मतलब सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. तो एक बात ध्यान में रखो, तुम यू कैन मेक sentences in simple past when you will remember second form of the verb. If you don't know second form of the verb, then nothing will work. Okay, so that's why I said some important common verbs you should remember. And what are those important common verbs if you will talk about? I'll see, is there that I have some important common verbs which I will give you. Okay, and those verbs are like go, come, play, swim, write, look, see, watch, observe, read, sit, stand, get, bring, ring, rain, meet, wait, sleep, abuse, buy, purchase, sell, take, give, catch, hold, speak, tell, say, pay, receive, borrow, lend, dream, hit, cut, shut, put, choose, open, beat, bite, hear, listen, bend, hunch, collapse, hug. So means गले लगाना. So you know such words, ये मैंने आपको 50 दिया, but you will find in day to day life most of the time these words are used. Okay, so in this case whenever you find common verb na, whenever you find common verb, if you have any book at home, do one thing, you select some common verbs. Okay, and you know when you will read, आपको समझ में खुद ही आएगा, हाँ ये वर्ड सलाह देना ये ज़्यादा यूज होता है, घूमना ये वर्ड ज़्यादा यूज होता है, राइट. सो यू कैन सेलेक्ट ऑल दोज वर्ड्स एंड यू रिमेंबर टू बाय हार्ट द 3 फॉर्म्स ऑफ द वर्ब. नाउ यू विल से माय गॉड 3 फॉर्म्स, वो एक तो याद होता नहीं, 3 कहाँ से याद करो. तो लिसन, फर्स्ट यू रिमेंबर फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. Then you know there in verbs there are 2 categories, regular verb and irregular verb. In verb there are 2 categories, regular verb and irregular verb. Okay, so it's very easy to frame the sentences. It's not tough at all. I will give you some examples here. Give me a moment. Okay, leave it. So there is a regular, you know, in regular verb what happens in regular verb, you have to add only d or ed. Irregular verbs will be something where all these three forms will be different. Okay, for example, regular verbs, only you will add d and ed and the verb will become regular. For example, walk, walked, play, played, arrive, arrived, open, opened, close, closed, dance, danced, talk, talked, watch, watched, finish, finished, start, started. Okay, these are the regular verbs. मतलब आपको इस वर्ब का सेकंड फॉर्म बनाने के लिए कहीं पे आपको डी लगाना पड़ा, कहीं पे आपको ईडी लगाना पड़ा. और देखो बचपन में आपने याद किया है तो आई विल से हियर ऑल्सो 50% थिंग्स यू नो, ओनली यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन 40 to 50% मोर. एंड even if I'll say if you'll not go 100%, even if you work for 50%, it will help you a lot. Another thing is that irregular verbs. What is irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are those verbs where second form and third form will be different. For example, do, did, done, keep, keep, kept, yeah, it's also different. Okay, so go, went, gone, get, got, eat, at, eaten, be, was, were, being, take, took. So some irregular verbs are also there, so you have to practice, you have to by heart. There is only principle to by heart. Verb में मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, principle will not work. You have to by heart the verb. And when first you by, don't in starting don't try to by heart second and third form. In the starting, first you by heart the word and meaning. Okay, after that the book, whatever book you will study, you will find they give the examples what is needed there. Some at some places there won't be any rule also. For example, put वो तीनों एक ही होता है. read तीनों एक ही होता है. ठीक है, तो जहाँ पे एक्सेप्शन है या कोई रूल नहीं है, यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट एज इट इज. एंड जहाँ पे रूल है, यू हैव टू just focus your mind and focus onto that. We will take some examples. For example, he stayed in a hotel last night. He stayed in a hotel last night. वह एक होटल में रुका last night. ठीक है, तो अब देखो he stayed in a hotel last night. Stay का stayed आपने किया और last night रुका. तो ये sentence itself, how will you understand the condition? First of all, you need to understand. In present, yesterday I told you. In simple present tense, I go with the comparisons because sometimes what happens, पहला भूल जाता है. तो just in present I gave you the condition when we talk about facts, when we talk about universal truth, and when we talk about habitual action. When we talk about facts, when we talk about universal truth, when we talk about habitual action, जो काम आदतवश होता है, जो फैक्ट है, and when we talk about daily routine और habit. Okay, तो जब भी हम डेली रूटीन और हैबिट की बात करेंगे तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस होगा. जब भी हम आदत की बात करेंगे तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस होगा. जब भी हम सामान्य रूप से किसी फैक्ट की बात करेंगे सामान्य तौर पे तो वो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस होगा. और जब भी हम फैक्ट्स बताने की बात करेंगे तो भी वो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस होगा. राइट नाउ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. Simple past tense is what conditions if you talk about. It tells about activities completed in the past. Simple present tense tells about activities completed in the past. Simple present tense जो है वो उन activities के बारे में बताता है जो कि past में complete हो चुकी हैं. ठीक है, it will tell about the activities which will be completed in the past. Right? So my dear friends, for example, वह कल मंदिर गया. He went to temple yesterday. And the first example I gave you, he stayed in a hotel last night. वह last night एक होटल में रुका. तो आप देख रहे हो कि ये काम हो गया है, एक्टिविटी ये कंप्लीट हो गई है. That's why you are using here simple past tense. Okay. Another thing, remember, in Hindi I'll say, when the sentence meaning is like coming like that, a-e ya ye ye, something like that. Okay, then you will find that sentence will go in simple past tense. Okay, that sentence will go. Identification if you talk about, so as in Hindi generally it comes, not always, generally it comes ta hai, ti hai, te hai, etc. Okay, but in past what comes? Ya ye ye, ya a e ya e. For example, वे गए, वे आए, तुम कहाँ गए, तुम कब आए. Are you getting the sound? ये आ, वह चला आया, या the sound give. But I'll say, don't remember this. Okay, remember the condition. Remember the condition, situation, because condition, situation, when it will be inbuilt into your mind, then it will become very easy to come up with that. Okay, so and the best part is that with all the subject you have to use V2 in positive affirmative sentences. इसमें कोई difference नहीं है कि इसके साथ s लगाना है, s लगाना, nothing. Everywhere you have to use V2 with all the subjects. All the subjects means I, we, you, they, he, she, it, names, children, boys, girls, whatever subject you are taking. Okay. So take some examples. I studied the plan in detail. मैंने प्लान का डिटेल में स्टडी किया. I studied the plan in detail. Another, you can take the example. We enjoyed the art festival. हम लोगों ने art festival को enjoy किया. We enjoyed the art festival. Another example take. They analyzed very well. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से उसका एनालिसिस किया. Hari did salsa at the party. हरी ने पार्टी में सालसा किया. उमा had a lot of pens. उमा के पास बहुत सारे पेन थे. अब देखो, उमा had a lot of pens. उमा के पास बहुत सारे पेन थे. आप बोलेंगे, अब देखो ये हमेशा ध्यान देना, has, have ये प्रेजेंट फॉर्म है और इसका पास्ट had होता है. has है, प्रेजेंट है, इसका सेकंड थर्ड फॉर्म had होता है. वॉज वर बीन, वॉज वर जो है वो प्रेजेंट फॉर्म नहीं, वो तो पास्ट में. वॉज वर में भी वॉज वर बीन होता है. वॉज वर इसमें रहेगा और फिर बीन रहेगा सेकंड थर्ड फॉर्म में, राइट. सो अनदर थिंग इज दैट द कुरियर रीच्ड ऑन टाइम. कुरियर टाइम पर पहुंचा में देखो वो पहुंचा बोला, आ का साउंड आया ना, मतलब, बट I will say don't go with that identification because I'll say this is very silly. This identification is for those who are 5th 6th standard children और उनको नहीं समझ में आता है तो थोड़ा हम identification देके बोलते हैं बेटा ता है, ती है या आई है तो समझो. But we have crossed that level, okay? So that's why now we are in a condition to understand the situation. My dear friends, if you have to speak about your yesterday's routine, अगर आपको अपना yesterday routine बताना है तो क्या करोगे? सेम जो स्टोरी डेली की थी उसको yesterday में कन्वर्ट कर दो. सब्जेक्ट V टू ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करो. सब्जेक्ट V टू ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाई फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. आई एम ज्योति सिंह एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट माई yesterdays रूटीन. मैं आपको अपना कल का रूटीन बताने जा रही हूँ. yesterday I got up early in the morning at 5 AM. After that I got fresh. Get का second form got. After that I got fresh. Then I had bath. After that I meditate for some time. After that I studied, or you can say that I go through my notes. I went through my notes as a glance. After that I conducted my lecture, my webinar from 8 AM to 9:15 AM almost. After that I again went for my meditation because my meditation was not completed in the morning, so I completed my meditation till 10:30 AM. After that I was hoping for my lecture for 11 AM to 1 PM, but yesterday's lecture was already cancelled, so I got time in the meantime, so I completed some of my household work which was remaining for last a week. After that I prepared some lunch. I had lunch by 2 PM. After that I took some rest because I woke up early in the morning, so I was feeling tired. And you know, if you sleep sometimes, then you will not say I go to bed in the afternoon. No, it's a blunder. You will say I take a nap. Okay, if you even I took a nap, but I take a nap present you will use. What if if you took nap yesterday, अगर आपने कल nap लिया तो बोलोगे then I took a nap for 30 minutes. 30 minutes nap means afternoon में थोड़े समय के लिए rest लेना या सोना. Then I took a nap for 30 minutes. After that again I woke up I got fresh by 3 PM. After that again I prepared some of my content for my next upcoming webinars, okay. And then I studied for some time because I study a lot. I read spiritual books. I read Srimad Bhagavatam. I read Yoga Vasist. I read NLP. I'm doing research on mind. So I have to read a lot. Okay, so I can't say even at my home you will find more than 1,000 books. Okay, if you will come to here, you will find a lot of books. My 3 wardrobes are completely filled with books. Okay, not 5 wardrobes. 3 I'm saying the main wardrobes, the books which I don't touch nowadays, and the 2 are there which I touch daily. Okay, so I left all these 2. So after that in the evening in the evening by 5 PM I went for meditation. At 5 PM my lecture was there, so I attended my lecture from 5 PM to, अब देखो, you have to be conscious. If you will be not conscious, then nothing will happen. That's why I'm saying you tell me about your yesterday daily routine, because what will happen, you do this daily, you will talk about fluency will come when you will speak truth. Fluency will not come when you will speak manipulated talk, okay. And if you will speak truth, then fluency will come, and after that even you can do manipulated talk also with fluency. but don't do that. I don't recommend that, okay, because neither I do nor I promote you to do. And there was a question conjunctions. देखो अभी मैंने क्या बोला, neither I do nor you do, ना तो मैं करती हूँ ना तो आप करो. I would not like to promote it. मैं इसे प्रमोट करना नहीं पसंद करूँगी. तो neither nor is what? This is conjunction. कंजंक्शन मतलब जो दो वाक्य को जोड़ने का काम करता है. तो कंजंक्शंस क्या होता है? जो दो सेंटेंस को जोड़ने का काम करता है वो क्या होता है? neither nor, either or, and so, but only, not only but also, not only but also comes in the category of conjunctions. Okay. All right. So then I attended my lecture from